Every year December 5th is a celebrate a World Soil Day to the bring people's focus and attention of the importance healthy in soil as well as the stress on the importance of the substance management of our soil resources. In 2019, the day was celebrated in the more than 100 countries throughout the 560 events. The Soil Day special program taken by Krishi Samruddhi team in the National Bureau of a Soil Survey and the land using the planning to discuss the regarding of a farmer agriculture and the deeply detail regarding of the soil. The part of a National Bureau of a Soil Survey, Dr. M.S. Nagaraj given a lots of detail of the regarding of the Soil Day special program.
Good evening all, I am Ashwata Mishra from Krishi Samruddhi. Today are 5 December, it means the World Soil Day. This day is a very important in our life, so that's why we are just coming in here and we talk to Mr. MSS Nagarjun. Sir, first of all you introduce yourself.
Myself, Dr. MSS Nagaraju, working as Principal Scientist in the Division of Remote Sensing Applications, and I am also acting head of the division. I have been working here for the last 30 years. Earlier I was in the Regional Center of Nagpur. I was there for 10 years. That time I was doing the soil survey of Madhya Pradesh, and we have done soil survey of Andhra Pradesh, and we have done the soil survey of rubber growing soils of Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Mostly I was involved in the soil survey and mapping during that time. So after 10 years of service in the regional center, I have been posted in the remote sensing application division. So there I have been looking after the entire remote sensing applications in soil survey.
Sir, first of all my question is that what is the soil? Why soil is important in our life? Actually most of the people are not taking a very just lightly for about this topic. They don't know about the information about the soil and why soil is the most important. So that's all thing I have to know about you.
So soil means soul of infinite life. So जैसे हमारा मदर बर्थ देता है, हमको बर्थ देता है, the soil is also very important for us. Without soil you don't get any food. So for life, any life, it's a human life or animal life or any other life, soil is very important. So soil is giving production, lot of production and all, and with that only we are living. So if you don't care of the soil, if you don't care your soil, it will not give you anything. So protection of the soil is also very important for us. If you don't protect the soil, you will be no more. So just like dharma, if you protect your dharma will automatically protect you. So like that, if you protect your soil, so the soil will protect you.
Sir, first of all, in 13 December 2013, in the starting of celebrate this day in the World Soil Day. Then after in the 5 December 2017, we will declare we are celebrating the 5th December in the Soil Day.
Yes.
So in that time period, why we should to necessary about this day? We have to celebrate this day. Why this day are the important?
Yeah, because this day is mainly celebrated to bring awareness. That is the main objective is to bring awareness of the importance of the soil to the public. Maybe the school children or maybe a college going students or among the farmers, even the administrators, to bring the awareness to the people. That is the main, the day is being celebrated to mainly to bring the awareness. That's the main objective.
Regarding of the soil, what you have to taking the message of the farmers, who the farmers are, they don't know more information about the regarding of the soil, still they are working hard, but it means they can't get the more profit. Yeah. So what you have to message doing for farmers?
Only thing is that first of all we should understand the soils of the farmers. So if you go to a village, you suppose you have different soils. Some soils are very shallow soils, some soils are very deep soils. The farmers may not be understanding those things. So we go to the field, we observe the soil, their properties, we study those properties and depth and all. So based on the soil information, we interpret those soil information for different alternatives. What crop will come in that particular piece of soil. So this type of information if you don't have, so how you will advise to the farmers? So we will go to the field, we develop the information, we generate the information. That information we interpret it here in the laboratories, and that information we give to the farmers by which type of crop is supporting your soil.
Sir, you told me you are working here last 30 years.
30
So in this time period, in which things you understand that is the most important thing for the farmer? If he doing like this thing, so they will be get the more profit for your each and everyone farming and all things.
Mainly here, what we see, some morphological properties we study here. Morphological property means how the soil has developed in the field. So based on the development of the soil, so they have different properties. So those properties are influencing the production. Suppose if the shallow soil is there, it may not support the cotton crop. Suppose if the farmer is growing the cotton crop, if it is not supporting, so he may not get the profit. So that we call it the marginal soils. So if the farmer is growing the cotton crop in the marginal soils, so he may not be getting the required profit. So our advisories should go to the field. So yes, your soil is this, your soil may not support your cotton. So you have to think alternative. Instead of cotton, you have to grow for some other crops.
So just like you know very well, day by day pollution are the very increment in this time period. So the most people and also farmer, we can say they are the not caring of the soil, because soil is our important part. So what you have to say, the messages about regarding this
The
topic?
message mainly about the Bureau is mainly working on the policies. We are identifying the prime agriculture lands. So those prime agriculture lands, they are supporting more crops. So once we have identified those prime agriculture lands, nobody should encroach those lands. Maybe the industries, the government, the buildings, no construction should be there. No industries should go to that place. So those areas, we are identifying those areas and giving those information to the government so that those prime agriculture land should be protected.
Okay. And sir, my question is that your National Bureau of Soil Survey and Land Survey, that's all thing. How is helping the farmer? It means what they are doing for the farmer.
So we are doing the survey. We are doing the soil survey and preparing the land use plans at village level, at tehsil level, at district level, at state level. So this information we interpreted those things. And that information will go to the farmers. Yes, this is your soil. These are the crops that those soils will support. So we are giving this advisory to the farmers.
By the government, day by day, the more of the advantage and the good messages and good work for the farmers, but still farmer can't get the advantage. That's all the schemes and all the facilities. Yeah. So what do you have to say about this?
Only thing is that the technologies, whatever the technologies you are developing here, those technologies should reach to the farmer. If those technologies, if you're keeping in the laboratory itself, it will not benefit the farmers. So the communication, there should be a lab to land program. We call it a lab to land program. Whatever the technology we are developing here, those technologies should be percolated down to the farmer. Then only the farmer will get the benefit of the information we have generated here.
In the advanced day, the farmer are also doing some advanced work. So by the helping of your all the survey and all the work for you, so what you are doing in the long time period, you are mostly working for the farmer. Then farmer are the ready to do their better work for the again. So you are the most of the help. So I have to information about that all.
Yeah. Because the soil survey, not only the soil survey, because so many other forces are also working here. The market, the farmers, what he will see, first he will see the profit. Suppose if he is putting 10,000 rupees, he will see some profit out of that. So the soil is one part. The other part is the economics and the market forces. So they are also playing a lot of so many things in the market. So that's why all the things you have integrated and see the profitability of the farmer. So the government has so many programs to uplift the income of the farmers.
If you have to taking one message for the farmers, if they have the soil and they have to do the better, so how many years are the analysis about the soil and they can do the better?
Yeah, because the soil testing, as told, maybe every 2 years you have to be analyzed. So every 2 years we are generating the soil health cards. Soil health cards means all the soil information is there, different properties of the soils. These health cards we are providing to the farmers. So those health cards, based on the health cards, he has so many options. What type of crops he has to grow, what type of fertilizers he has to apply, how much quantity he has to apply, at what time. At what time he has to apply those fertilizers, so he can minimize the expenditure in the field, so that he can get the more profit out of that.
What is in your thinking, in according by you, how much are the soil health card are the important for farmers?
It's very, very important. Just like you have so many other cards. So in health cards, you have like Arogyasri. argument, you have your own health cards. Government is providing the person the health cards. Like that, the soil health card. If you don't have those health cards, you don't know what the soil is. The soil, if you don't know the soil health, so it will not respond. So if you are putting 10 kg fertilizer, the soil is not responding because it is deteriorating. The soil health is deteriorating and you are not taking care of. So the health card you are providing, it is giving a list of properties, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 properties. Those properties we have to maintain. Those functions, whether the soil is performing those functions or not, whether the soil has those properties continue or not, that you have to check every 2 to 3 years time.
In your research of the year, in all time of fair, so what's your message regarding in the soil day? What you have to say to public and farmer that all thing, because soil is the most important. So in your last message, what do you have to say about that?
The message is that soil is very, very important for our living beings. So this soil health we have to maintain properly throughout the time, because today we have the next generation. If we don't give if we don't care the soil health, the next generation, coming generations will not be able to reap the benefits. So today we have the productivity today. Tomorrow the soil may not give that much productive. It may not be that much productive. So you have to maintain the productivity of the soil. To maintain that, you have to give certain inputs. The biofertilizers. Now people are talking of the biofertilizers and all. So to maintain the soil health is also very important.
Thank you so much. So we know about the lots of the information regarding of the soil, why soil is important in our life and why we are celebrating the soil day in that 5th of December. That I'm very glad to talk Mr.
Nagaraj.
MS Nagaraj, and nice to just taking this message for the Krishi Samruddhi, Shweta Mishra. Thank you.
Thank you.